So these are called Ceramics MK2 by Roseselsa, and when this was sent out to me, I didn't expect them to be that affordable. So these are priced at 2,890, and for this price you get a true wireless earbud that comes with active noise cancellation, good build quality, a fresh new design, and good audio quality as well. So when you will open the box, what you have inside are these true wireless earbud on the top. Under that you have some paperwork, then you get a Type A to Type C cable for charging, and also some extra pair of eartips in the box. So that's pretty much very standard box contents. So these are available in 3 different colors. The one that I have is called oyster white. You also get this in black and also purple, which is called LDAC. The packing and all is very minimal, as you can see. And when you will take these buds, so although these are made from plastic, but it doesn't feel like plastic, and the material feels of a very high quality. You get the ceramics branding right on the flap. Below that you have your LED indicator. Under that you have your charging port. Beside that you also have a reset button. And when you will open the buds, you will feel that the design inspiration of these buds have been taken from the Sony's XM5 series or also the Link Buds S. And the magnets all in the case are very strong, and the case is also of a very high quality. I mean, there are no loose joints, no creaking noises, so everything has been built really very well. So it's not the first time I'm using something from Roseselsa. It is a new company, but earlier they had sent out to me their ear-free i5, and I'm using these ear-free i5 regularly for while traveling and all, and overall the experience has been quite good. Now what surprised me the most is that these ear-free i5 are priced at 5,990, and they managed to bring something in the market which is almost half the price, and I would say that these sound as good as the ear-free i5. So if you plan to buy the Ceramics MK2, you can stay assured that you are getting the ear-free i5 in the audio quality. Apart from these two, I'm also at the moment testing out their Bluetooth headset, which is called Cambrian. You're also going to get a video on this very soon. So if you look at the Ceramics MK2 and you look at the earbud, so I really like the text that is written in crisp letters. It looks very distinct and also very unique. And if I talk about the comfort and fitting, so I would say that the buds are very comfortable to wear for casual use. But I would say that if you are someone who is like a gym person or who is very athletic or who is more involved in the audio, in the outdoor activities, then you might choose to get something that is more secure, which is coming with some ear hooks and all. So I think that kind of an issue will always be there, whether you go for a semi-in-ear type design or if you are going for a stem type design. One thing I want to mention is that if you look at the ear tips that are there in the box, so it is coming with small, medium and large, and small and medium size are almost very equivalent, and these are like very small sizes, and I believe Roseselsa is the only company that is providing these kind of extra small ear tips. So at the moment I'm pairing the large size with these true wireless earbuds, so that they are not only giving me a good fitting but also I'm getting a good bass while listening to them. Now talking about the technical specifications, so it is coming with a 10mm dynamic driver inside with 40 dB of active noise cancellation and 47 millisecond of latency. The battery backup is around 45 hours for the music playback along with the case, and on a single earbud you're going to get a backup of around 12 hours. Apart from that, these earbuds also pack in 24-bit DAC chip inside for better clarity, for better music experience. You are also going to get IP-X4 water resistance, and they support codec like AAC, SBC and also LDAC. Now talking about the connectivity, so the moment you take these buds out of the case and if the Bluetooth on your phone is on, they are going to pair almost instantly. And in order to get more control on these true wireless earbud, you can also download the Roseselsa's Link app from Google Play Store, so that will give you more control and more features. Now if you look at the Roseselsa's Link app, so it comes with like mostly all the standard features. Like in the top section you have your active noise cancellation, below that you have some of the preset EQ modes. Now I would say the disappointing part is like you get 3 predefined EQ modes. There is no option for custom EQ for some reason, and even like way back when I tried the ear-free i5, in that also I didn't got any sort of custom EQ function. Maybe the company believes that the predefined EQs are more than sufficient, or like they are too good, and they are good actually, but I would say custom EQ is something that most of the brands are providing, so this should have been included. So yeah, maybe you're going to get that from the software updates. Below that you will find features like the gaming mode, dual device connectivity, but one more feature that is lacking here is like if you're watching any movie or listening to any song and if you take the buds out of the case, so the song or the movie should pause. So that is not happening with the Ceramics MK2. It does happen with the ear-free i5 but not with the MK2. So these are small little features that are not available with the MK2, and then you have all your button settings and all those are very common. Now talking about the audio quality, so straight out of the box, I would say that TWS sound very warm. You will never feel the need of using any sort of EQ and all, but I would say that just in case you want to tweak them a little bit, you can download this app called EQUALIZER. Go into the normal preset section and lower down the frequencies of 8000 hertz and 16000 hertz and give a bass boost to around 15 to 20%, and that's all you have to do. It will not only just give a good bass but also improve the sub bass, and they will sound almost equivalent to the expensive earbuds like the you can say Realme Buds Air 5 Pro or maybe the Realme Buds Air 6. So that's how capable they are. Talking about the voice quality, or the you can say mid frequency, so very good for listening to movies and all. The dialogues and all feel very clear, very much forward. And also if you talk about the details in the high frequency, so if you're not tweaking those 8K and 16K settings, so by default the clarity is there, but if you want slightly less amount of clarity and want the earbuds to sound more warm and pleasing, you definitely have to lower down the values on 8K and 16K. Overall, I would say that the buds were very satisfying even with the default tuning. No matter which preset you use, you will find them very comfortable to wear and very good for listening to you can say any sort of music or watching any sort of movies. I tried out the earbud for gaming as well. I would say not suitable for competitive gaming but very good for casual gaming. And also I would say that at a price of 2890, you're not just getting something that looks good, that sounds good, but also it sounds expensive and almost equivalent to the true wireless earbuds in that 5000 or 6000 rupees price category. So anyway, this was all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, now coming to the quality of microphone, so these earbuds are coming with some high definition microphones and they are using some kind of an integrated NPU and AI based active noise cancellation for better call clarity. So let me know what you think about this sample of microphone.